So today we're making another helmet video. This one's about the Fly Racing Formula carbon helmet. Like over the last 2 years, Fly has made 3 or 4 helmets that look identical to each other, but are just different enough that we have to make new mounts. The cool thing about our mounts, they are helmet specific. They're mounted to the helmet using this 3M double-sided mounting tape. It's the same stuff that GoPro uses. It's waterproof, it sticks really well. We do sell replacement tape if you ever need to remove the mount from your helmet for any reason. You can buy the replacement tape off of our website. Another thing that we do with our mounts is that we take the tip back angle into consideration. So you can see here, the camera can tip back far enough so that it can be parallel with the top of the eye port, which allows you to get a parallel view of the horizon when you're riding over that terrain that you're riding over. It makes it nice because you can get that best possible point of view. So this mount comes in 2 different options. There's the light mount option, which allows, basically all it is like you have this additional lobe underneath where you'd mount the camera, and that allows you to mount a light upside down. We designed it for these Oxbow mounts, but you could really use it with any light that has these GoPro mounting forks. It's fully adjustable, so you can basically point the light straight down. I like to keep it in line with the GoPro, so that way you get kind of like the best possible footage. It also happens to be just about where you're looking. So like if you're riding single track at night, you can look into the corners that you're riding around and you can actually see further into the corner. It helps you ride faster at night, allows you to see better and you're safer. We put the GoPro mounting screw in from the opposite direction of most GoPro's accessories. And the reason that we do that is because on these newer GoPro Hero 8, 9, 10, and now the 11, the battery side door obviously is on this side, and you have to pull down on this little latch to open up the side door, and with the head of the GoPro screw there, it makes it harder to get that battery door open. So if you want to be able to change batteries on the fly, this just makes it a lot easier to do that. Our mounts are made out of a harder rubberized material. Like it's slightly flexible. It's a hard material, but it's still like impact resistant, I would say. We ran it over with a truck and we smashed it with a sledgehammer and we like dropped bricks on it just to see. And the mount was fine afterwards. Like you probably have to slap some new tape on there, but the mount was like in perfectly workable condition. So if you ever go over the bars, you can rest assured that the mount is probably going to fare better than you do, or your GoPro for that matter. These mounts also work with the media mod, which is really cool. We designed it with these in mind, and the screw direction still works with the media mod as well. It actually is a little bit easier because you don't have to contend with the electronics that are on the opposing side from the GoPro screw on our mounts. Real quick, I want to go over why chin mounting. So mounting it to the chin bar of the helmet allows you to get the depth of field that makes it look and feel like it actually does when you're riding over the terrain, right? So it actually makes the obstacles look as real as possible. And they're the same with like the side of the helmet. It doesn't give you that off-centered point of view. It's centered with your point of view, so it makes it feel like they're, again, like you're actually riding. It's protected, which is really nice. Having it right here in front of the chin bar, usually you're not going to take a branch there unless you can absolutely help it. Whereas if it were mounted to the side or the top of the helmet, oftentimes it can get swiped off by a tree branch and you might lose your GoPro. Protected, and it's also right in front of your mouth, so if you're doing any kind of moto vlogging, you're going to get better audio reception.
Yeah, which is cool because then you can shoot for both YouTube and Instagram at the same time without getting up any like pixels, really.
So real quick, I'm going to show you guys how to replace one of the mounts on our helmet, how you do install it. But if you need to take it off for any reason, the best way that I've found to do it is just press up really hard from the bottom and it'll come off. When we send the mount to you, we're going to send it with some alcohol cleaning pads. So just clean up the surface where you know it's going to go. First thing that you want to do is figure out where the mount goes. Clean it off with the alcohol cleaning pads, and then peel off the sticker backing. Pull back on it as much as you can, and then set it in place. Make sure that you got it lined up the way you want it, because in this case, it's like really angular, and it's kind of hard to get it to seat in the right spot, because there's so many different angles that it just kind of wraps around the helmet. Once you get it right, you should be able to see it's like really sturdy, and then just press it on hard. So that's how you install a new mount. Last thing I want to talk about is what comes in the box. Our mounts come with a an installation and warranty card. If for any reason you break a mount or need anything or want a replacement, lifetime warranty, just hit us up and we'll send you a new one. We got stickers, a plethora of different stickers that we've created over the years. You're gonna get alcohol cleaning pads to clean your helmet when you put on a new mount. And then we sell, you're gonna get a screw and you're gonna get the mount of your choice. So that's gonna come with it, obviously. And we sell a bunch of accessories like 90-degree adapters and battery side doors and replacement GoPro lenses. So check that out, it'll be in our store. If you want to buy one, there will be a link in the description below, so check that out. Check out our social media if you want to see clips of us using these and kind of like what the perspective looks like. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our Instagram channel, subscribe to our TikTok channel, Spotify, follow our podcast. Check this shit out. We got a podcast. We interview a lot of hard enduro racers and like people in the industry. Really cool podcasts. Yeah, buy them out.